From a few simple pieces of wood, something special begins to take shape. Each cut is gentle, each joint carefully aligned, preserving the natural beauty of the grain. The scent of fresh timber fills the air as the structure comes together, strong, minimal, and made with intention. Sanded smooth, yet left authentic, the wood keeps its rustic character. A small doorway is carved, inviting tiny visitors to find shelter and comfort. More than just a birdhouse, it's a handcrafted home inspired by nature itself, where craftsmanship meets the quiet beauty of the outdoors.